How to fix the WeChat application problems. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, let's discuss common solutions to WeChat problems. On the very first one would be checking the internet connection. Next would be updating the app. For this, open the Google Play Store for Android versions. On the search bar, type in WeChat and if update is available, tap on it. Likewise, your second would be restarting application. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve many app issues. Moving on to the third solution, you will have to check and switch between Wi Fi and mobile data. For step 4, long press your WeChat application and go to App Info. Then, after, go to the option of storage and cache and clear your cache. Likewise, you can clear the storage. Now, go back and check for permissions. Make sure all the necessary and required permissions are accessed. For this, tap on allow and you should be good to go. Moving on to next solution, you might have to reinstall the app. For this, long press the app and click on uninstall. Next up, reinstall it again from the Google Play Store and you should be good to go. Another solution would be updating your device operating system. However, none of this work. You might have to reach out to WeChat support through the application or the website. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.